So people come to you, they want to get, they really need to prepare. So how far in advance? When do you start, when does someone start seeing you?
We like to start, my perfect time to start with most students is in their sophomore year of high school.
Sophomore year of high school.
And keep in mind, most people start thinking about this their junior or senior year of high school.
Correct.
In our programs where we're working with the students hands-on, we really like to get them when they're sophomores. But we do continue to take them after that. That's just our preferred time.
But one of the things that I see what you guys do, I want to say, it's kind of like, I would call you almost like a student's agent to college. Because not only do you prep the student with the assessments, the prep tests, getting prepared for those so they maximize them. I mean, you're walking with them for a few years, getting them what I call marketable.
Right.
For the college of their choice, not the one that they default to. It's actually, you prep them to go to the college of their choice, right?
Right. We're trying to get students into the right college for their education, not for the cheapest college they can find.